Welcome students. In this video I am going to solve question number 14 and 15 of exercise 2.3 and question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 2.4. Now two questions are left of this exercise, and in this video I will start exercise 2.4 also. So question number 14 of exercise 2.3. It is a book contains 320 pages. Vishal reads 3/5 of the book. How many pages are left to be read? Now how to solve this? Vishal reads equal 3 by it is actually 3/5 of 320 pages. It means it is 3/5 of means multiply and it is 320. Now divide 320 by 5, so it is 5 6 ja 30 and 5 4 ja 20. Okay, and multiply 3 by 64, it is 3 2 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 92. So it is 192 pages. And how many pages are left? So pages left equals 320 minus 192. Okay, so it is 8 and 120 plus 8 128 pages. Okay students, so the answer of question number 14 is 128 pages. Okay, means we have to find the number of pages which are read by Vishal. So it is 3/5 of 320 of means multiply, and we will perform this operation and finally we get the answer 192 pages, and remaining pages can be obtained by subtracting this number from 320. So the answer is 128. Pause the video and note. Question number 15 is similar to question number 14 also. A tin contains 21 kg of sugar. If 2/3 of it has been consumed, how much sugar is left in the tin? So sugar consumed equals 2/3 of 21 kg equals 2/3 into of is converted into multiply and it is cancelled, 2 7 ja 14 kg. Then how much sugar is left? Sugar left is total amount is 21 kg minus 14 kg, that is 7 kg. So the answer of question number 15 is 7 kg. Okay students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमने वही कॉन्सेप्ट यूज लिया है जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में यूज लिया था. शुगर कंज्यूम्ड है 2/3 ऑफ 21 kg, तो आपको ऑफ की जगह मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 21 3 से कैंसिल होगा, 7 2 7 जा 14. अब कितनी शुगर जो है वो लेफ्ट हो गई, मतलब कितनी शुगर बची हमारे पास, तो 21 kg माइनस 14 kg इक्वल्स 7 kg. नोट इट डाउन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व question number 1 to 3 of exercise 2.4. So there is a basic concept in exercise 2.4. It is about multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. What is the meaning of this? Suppose you want to find the multiplicative inverse of 5, then convert this into, okay, it is 5. Now divide 1 by this number. Listen again, अगर आपको 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है तो आप 1 को इस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है और आपको मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स मिलेगा. वी कैन से 1/5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5 and 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 1/5. सो 1/5 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर ऑलवेज 1 लेंगे और इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है तो इसको डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे एंड फाइनली ये 1 होगा, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन यूज करना है और इस 1/5 को 5/1 लिखना है इसका रेसिप्रोकल करके, देन इट इज 5 1 5. ओके, यू कैन कैंसिल आउट 1. सो रेसिप्रोकल और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 1/5 is 5. This concept is used in this exercise and it is question number first. So I am going to solve first part. Divide 14/9 by 7. It means 14/9 and divided by 7 means हमें इस नंबर को 7 से डिवाइड करना है तो 7 से हम ऐसे डिवाइड करेंगे. Now 14/9 into, okay, so division is converted. Listen carefully. So we have to divide, this is division and this is 7, divide this by 7. Again it is 14/9. Convert this division, this is the division operator into multiply operator and convert 7 as 1/7 because 7 का मतलब 7/1 होता है. तो डिवीजन को आपको मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करना है और 7/1 का रेसिप्रोकल करना है. नाउ इट इज कैंसिल्ड एंड द आंसर इज 2/9. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट is 2/9. Now third part is 18/25 27. Okay, it is 25 by 3/50. So the meaning of this is you have to convert this by इंटू डिवीजन. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई होता है और बाई का मतलब डिवीजन होता है, ठीक है. और 3/50 यू विल राइट द फ्रैक्शंस एज इट इज, कन्वर्ट बाय इंटू डिवीजन. नाउ इट इज कन्वर्टेड एज 18/25. कन्वर्ट दिस डिवीजन साइन इंटू मल्टीप्लाई एंड राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस. सो इट विल बी 50/3. Now it is cancelled 3 times and it is 2 times. So the answer is 6 2 ja 12. 2.4. Third answer. Okay, it is 12. Okay students, not, it's very simple. And finally I have solved 2 parts, first and third of first question, because I will give you second and fourth part in the assignment. Second question is evaluate first part. 3 and 3/5 in division, it is divided by 2 and 2/5. Okay, now convert into an improper fraction. 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 18/5 division operator. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12/5. It is 18/5. It is converted into multiply. Write the reciprocal of 5/12. Now listen, 5 can be cancelled and 18/12 is cancelled by 3. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, by 6 we can cancel out by 6 also. 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. So the answer is 3/2. So it is the answer of first part of second question, 3/2. And you can convert into a mixed fraction also, doesn't matter. This answer is also correct. So it is 1 and 1/2. Okay, note it down. second part. Second part is 1 and 7 upon 104. Divide it by 11 upon 13. So it is 104 1 ja 104 plus 7 111 upon 104. Convert this division operator into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this. Okay, now it becomes easier. Okay, 13 8 ja 104. Now it is 111 upon 88. Okay, so you can write 111 upon 88, or you can divide 111 by 88 and convert it into mixed fraction. So 88 1 ja 88 and the answer will be this. Okay, so it can be written as 1 and 23 upon 88. Okay students, the answer of second part of second question is 1 and 23 upon 88. Pause the video and note it down. I hope you are enjoying this exercise, because मैथ्स में जब तक आपको एक्सरसाइज इजी लगेगी आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा, बट ऑलवेज इट इज़ नॉट राइट. सो यू हैव टू टेक इंटरेस्ट. आपको इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करना है. कोई भी चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो, कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट हो, आप अगर इंटरेस्ट के साथ पढ़ेंगे तो एवरीथिंग विल बिकम ईजी फॉर यू. नाउ आई सोल्व फोर्थ पार्ट. 6 and 2 upon 5 divided by 8. Again it is 5 6 ja 30 plus 2 32 upon 5. Convert this into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 8. See, it is 8 4 ja 32, 4 upon 5. So the answer of fourth part is 4 upon 5. You cannot convert this fraction into a mixed fraction because numerator is smaller and it is a proper fraction. आप सिर्फ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को ही कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन में. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. राइट रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 upon 13 means it will be 1 upon 1 upon 13 simply. And now it is a division operation, so multiply this division into multiplication and convert this as 13 upon 1. Write the reciprocal, or you can write in this way. Reciprocal means न्यूमरेटर विल बी ऑलवेज 1. आपको किसी भी फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड करना है तो आपको न्यूमरेटर 1 लेना होगा, देन राइट डिवीजन ऑपरेटर एंड देन राइट द फ्रैक्शन. फाइनली इट इज 1 into 13 upon 1 and the answer will be 13. Next is 12 and 2 upon 5. So convert this into an improper. 12 5 ja 60 plus 2 62 upon 5. Now answer will be, okay, you have to write reciprocal equals here also reciprocal. Okay, just take the numerator 1, write division operator and 62 upon 5 को as it is लिखना है, then convert this into multiply and write the reciprocal of 62 upon 5. Finally it is 5 upon 62. Answer of third part of second question is 5 upon 62. And I solve fourth part. It's very easy. 6 upon 7. Reciprocal is 1 divided by 6 upon 7. Again I tell you, किसी भी फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल पता करना है तो आपको 1 ऑलवेज कंसीडर करना है, देन डिवीजन, देन राइट द फ्रैक्शन. अब क्या करना है आपको? 1 convert this into multiply and find the reciprocal of 6 upon 7, that is 7 upon 6. So the answer of fourth part is 7 upon 6, and you can see that it is an improper fraction. So divide 7 by 6, 6 1 ja 6, 1 is remainder, and write 6 as it is. So this answer is given in your book. By the way, this is also correct answer. So we have solved first 3 questions of exercise 2.4. Okay students, these exercises are very easy. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Best of luck.